Battery terminal pole laser cleaning involves the use of laser technology to remove contaminants from the surfaces of the battery terminal's pole. The laser cleaning process is non-contact, meaning it does not physically damage the substrate surface. This ensures the stability and integrity of the battery terminals. Laser cleaning can achieve high precision and consistency in cleaning results, which is crucial for ensuring the performance and reliability of lithium batteries. Laser cleaning is an environmentally friendly technology that does not produce harmful emissions or waste.